I didn't see what's no plate.
But I don't want no French.
No, use it.
Okay, Papa.
What did you do to my child? Sarah, what did Papa put on your head? What are you doing to my child? The whole hole on top of there. Sarah, look on top of Papa's head. Ah! You're a mess.
Sarah. Sarah.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's a brand new day to be alive and well. We are breathing and we give Almighty thanks for a brand new day because many did not live to see this day. Look at these two. Get them, Sarah. Go get them. Go get them, princess. They're gonna fall. Sarah, get them. Get it, Sarah. Sometimes when she do that, I feel like she want to like make noise and the noise not coming.
Sometimes I have the feeling that she wants to scream out and something blocking the noise. Peekaboo. Since she's a baby, she's born, she don't cry loud.
What she's doing? She putting her dress in your mouth. Don't tell her not here to hype you up, so you have to make Papa hype you up, Sarah. You guys, like I was saying just now, we are off still, the three of us. Tyler won't be home until later in the evening. He's enjoying his moment at Antigen, so we are here. I'm actually getting some work done right now, and I just pick up the camera while I pause a bit to talk to you guys. So hopefully you guys are having a good day, and hopefully you guys are staying warm, staying blessed, staying motivated. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bell, all the happenings that's going on with us, our daily life. Basically Mondays to Fridays we have a vlog 5 days per week. So baby's here playing with Sarah, keeping her company while I get some work done. I didn't plan on cooking any much dinner. What I had in mind to cook, it would take me like about an hour or probably less. It would take me like 30 minutes, but I got an unexpected message just now that one of my colleagues from Jamaica, that we went to high school together during the same time. He went to Calabar, I went to Mona High, but we did track and field. We were both athletes. He represented Jamaica on numbers of occasions on the junior team a few times, quite a few times, and he was a really good athlete. So that's how I know this guy. He's actually in France teaching, but he's in Paris here, and he messaged me just now that he's in Nice right now for a few days. He arrived last night, so he's coming over for dinner later tonight. So of course he wants Jamaica food, so I'm going to cook some rice and peas and some oven jerk chicken and have him over for dinner. Yeah, so that's what's up. It's always good, you know, when Jamaicans are around, too. It's always a good moment seeing them. So it will be a good one seeing Roderick later. If you guys are within the track and field world and keep up with the boys and girls champs, then his name will be no stranger to you. His name is Roderick Tennant. We used to call him Little Six. He was a very good athlete. Anyway, with all that said, he'll be coming over later, so I am going to be cooking. I am actually cleaning my oven right now. It's gonna take a while. I was doing that from morning. It take 3 hours, so I have about roughly an hour to go, and then when that finish I can go and start cooking. Anyway, let me stop my rambling and let you guys go and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Wait, these two, look at them. That's her favorite letter in your hand.
C'est quoi ça? C'est quelle lettre? Ça?
A.
Ça c'est quoi?
A. The A. A. Look how she backing up.
Boo! Boo! Boo!
She's running. Is what? Is your phone as she say? She say?
Hello.
Sarah, Mama need to start catch up your hair. Because I finally got some little things that can use to catch it. Mama gonna start give you a hairstyle, but this girl won't sit for me to comb that hair. Please. Sweet, say morning to the vlog.
Morning, guys.
You look like the statue in Brazil when you do that.
Like what?
The statue in Brazil when you do that.
It's like this.
Mm-hmm.
He's the Christ. I'm nobody.
It's the Christ, not Chris.
Christ, yeah.
Is Chris in French?
Christ.
Okay.
You don't say. Remember the I.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Ah, got you. Got you, got you, got you. Remember Tyler at this age he can play with
Football, he used to run after it.
Run after it.
Uh-huh.
Gotcha.
She going for it under the table. She gone. You guys, I made this salad for lunch and I didn't show you guys the process that I used to make it. But I'm going to show you guys in the next vlog, another day. This salad is really bomb. You guys should try it and it have no meat in it.
I can show them the process of how to eat it.
So you know, go on. Let's smile. I end up with a whole lot of people in my yard. Everybody eating.
Chicken, you don't mind? What do you want? Apple or orange? Which one?
We want orange.
Please.
Please.
Okay, baby.
I'm okay. Because everybody nuts.
Yeah, go ahead and start.
No, push up yours. So I'm going to here.
Oh, a minute. That's the wrong cup. That was meant to be the top. Let me do this cup. Let me get tired, all right? I feel like you need to manage this.
Roderick, why is there no salad on your plate?
Now wait for it. Well, first.
All right, I think we're good. Go ahead. You go. What you need? Fried chicken. You got to hurry up. Is there any more fried chicken?
I just see what's no plate.
But I don't want no friend.
No, use it.
Okay, Papa.
Oh, what is breast and
The
what?
fried
No,
chicken
there's no
is
breast.
good.
They're all thighs.
The fried chicken is good.
I don't want any fried chicken. Everybody's okay?
Everybody's
Ça va,
good.
Jean-Paul?
Très bien, merci beaucoup.
Yes.
Très bon.
Tyler Jean, yes. Okay, Ryan, you like it? C'est bon?
Look at Sarah. Sarah, not even feeding y'all, no mind. My doctor is a little foodie. Look at her. Oh my God, I have to catch this. Putting that rice and peas.
You cook. What's wrong
I'm
with
just picking up
Listen, Tyler, you're too loud.
Pass me a little vegetables, please.
Jen, I did not plan on cooking today. Did you know that? He called me this morning out of nowhere.
Thank God.
He's like, Mel, I'm in Nice. I'm like, what? And I'm leaving on Wednesday and I have to see you before I leave. I'm like, come for dinner, I'm gonna cook.
All I knew is when I was at the pool, she said she cooked dinner. I said,
Oh,
good.
this where?
Praise the Lord.
Okay.
You see? So you're special.
Yeah.
The truth, she's always cooking.
I haven't seen you since. Yeah, I got you. Good. What you doing in my room? What you doing in my room? Come here. You little explorer. See, brother, go and get you. Go.
I got you.
Look who is back.
I got you.
Tell us say hello to the fibs. Tell him you're back.
Hello.
Say I'm back.
And I love you.
You cannot kiss here. You're gonna wet it. Mwah. And Sarah is excited. The spoon. She's excited that Tyler is back. Right, Sarah? She can't keep still. Look at her. Here, from in here.
I got you. 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 I got you.
Best friend reunite.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Come, Papa is here. Guys, we are going to do the expression of the day because Tyler asked for it. You're back from Auntie Jen. You had fun?
Yes.
Alright. You said you wanted the Jamaican expression and you went for the Jamaican expression book. Alright, say this word.
Ah, that's Tyler's favorite one. Then the Jamaican,
Pasa.
the Jamaican expression is pasa pasa.
What does pasa pasa mean?
That means I know a lot of birds, but they're not
come and
feeling
sit down.
well.
Wait.
I think
You can't move. Sit.
That means I'm not feeling well.
That means you're not feeling well. Honey, what pasa pasa mean?
I think is you're hungry, like, give me a lot of pasa pasa in my plate. I think you're hungry. I think,
Pasta, you're thinking of pasta.
yeah, I
you.
think they just can't say, it's like, you can't say the R, I think they just can't say the T, so that's, they can't
You
say
are
pasta.
hilarious.
They say, pasa pasa.
No.
They're trying to say, pasa. I mean,
No.
what pasa? Pasa pasa in my plate.
Both of you are wrong.
Oh.
No.
And I was very confident in my answer.
So I think it means.
One more guess, and then I'll tell you what it means.
The window everywhere is very dirty and we are very tired.
Good try, Ty, but
I think it's somebody that is very careless. Is pasa pasa.
oh, you're getting close,
Yes.
honey. You're getting close.
Ah,
Not quite, but you're getting close. Try again. Try again, baby. You're getting close. You're getting close.
I think that means the TV is rolling and we don't know why. Every time
So what you gonna do
running to catch it.
No. Alright, I'm gonna use it in a sentence.
okay.
And you guys will guess after what it means. If Mama said to a group of her friends, me no want get in a no pasa pasa, we don't know. So me gonna my yard.
No trouble. Don't want to be involved in no trouble.
That means bye-bye.
No. It means to get into a controversy, mix up and blend.
What that means?
Trouble.
Right.
So why you don't give me the points?
Mercy. So good try, honey.
What that means?
To get
means
into
to
a
get into
controversy. Trouble.
Like you just.
Alright, Tyler, what's the
yourself
French
into
expression?
trouble.
Honey, leave him, please. Let him stop, get hyper.
What is the French expression, Tyler?
Tyler, you have to sit. Come sit,
Oh,
come
the
sit.
French
What's the French expression? You want to say banya banya?
A real one.
A real French
expression.
word.
A real French word that you use with your friend.
What Papa would say to you, Ty, in French?
Quand papa il est pas content parce que Tyler il fait des bêtises, qu'est-ce que papa il va dire à Tyler?
Non. Non, c'est pas ça.
Give me something else. Fast.
Voiture.
Voiture, that's the French word.
Okay, that's a French word.
And
for
what it
today.
means? What it
What does
means?
voiture mean?
Voiture means a car.
Oh,
Very
So
good.
that's the French
The
word,
word
guys.
for
We got
today.
the French word, voiture. So who have the nicest voiture, Papa or Sarah? Who have the prettiest car? Is the prettiest voiture is Sarah or
Papa.
Thank you, Tyler. But I think it's Sarah.
I think it's yours because my favorite color is blue and red.
Oh,
I don't like pink.
right. High five. I know you like my car. Only Mama don't like my car. You know what? We can do a ride together, and Mama just gonna have to walk or run. Okay? Is Mama allowed to go in our car?
No.
Okay, that's boys only.
Yes, and you know what?
What?
You know that in Aussie.
Well, Tyler, guess what?
What?
If Mama is not allowed to go in you and Papa car, then Mama not cooking no more food for you and Papa.
No, but Tyler just said one thing. Tyler is doing papers, and in every papers he writes boys only. So the only place is not boys only is the kitchen. So you're allowed to go in the kitchen.
Ty, Mama not cooking no more food for you and Tyler. How about that?
Yes.
For you and Papa.
Yes, so you get McDonald's every day.
So if you do that, I'm going to cook everything.
You're gonna cook?
Yes.
Okay.
Or Papa is going to cook with us.
Yes, I'm going to
Papa
cook
is
a
going
lot
to
of ravioli to Tyler.
Yes. Yes.
Tyler, come and tell us it's night night.
Nighty night.
You guys, so this day was just crazy. I was expecting one person for dinner and I end up with like 7. Listen, like I told you at the beginning of the vlog, I was expecting Roderick, my Jamaican friend, but then Jen showed up with Tyler and she had company and more company. She had 2 persons with her and then my neighbor tag along with Jen, so everybody ended up at the house. It's a good thing, knowing me, I always cook a lot even if I'm expecting one person, because of course there are other days in the week and leftovers are never waste. So I always cook a lot. So I cook jerk chicken, fried chicken, rice and peas, and when they came, everything just was going so fast. I didn't realize that I haven't showed you guys everything that I prepared for Roderick and ended up being for them too. So yeah, it was a good day and it turned out being one of the best one that we've had. We laughed, we chat, typical Jamaicans, lot of patois chatting in the yard, and it was such a good day. You guys haven't even get to see Roderick's face, because when he came, we were so in our element and chatting, I didn't realize that I didn't show him and introduce who he is. But yeah, that was that. It was a good day. And Jen, when they left, Jen took him to the tram so he could get back home. He even left with one of my container with everything, all the Jamaican food that left over. He took it with him. He took all the rest of the rice and peas and all the jerk chicken and all the fried chicken. It was just a small amount that left over anyway, so the food was done. It was just enough for everybody and they had a blast. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.